Hey everybody, this is Lorelia and I'm coming to you with a update on the coronavirus business relief funding that is being rolled out by the federal government. So in the last video I showed you where on the SBA.gov website you would go to learn more about coronavirus, but at that time they hadn't rolled out the small business loan information on how you can get started with signing up. And I know a lot of you all had questions on how you can get started with the funding. So if you go to SBA.gov, you'll see right here the coronavirus, COVID-19, small business guidance and loan resources. Now, the one thing I do want to point out that what's so good about this business funding is that it's not only for small business owners, it's also for renters and homeowners. So when you go to the website, you'll see the coronavirus, COVID-19, small business guidance and loan resources, and you'll see learn more. And as you can see, you go down, they give you information on how to protect yourself as well as a lot of other information. But I'm going to just jump on into the learn more, and I'm going to pull up that page. Okay, so here it is, COVID-19 Small Business Guidance and Loan Resources. Health and government officials are working together to maintain the safety, security, and health of American people. Small businesses are encouraged to do their part to keep their employees, customers, and themselves healthy. So here it is. You have the Economic Injury Disaster Loan Program, guidance for businesses and employers, SBA products and resources, government contracting, local assistance, and here it is. They go through the states that are currently eligible, because remember the last video I said that your where you live in a country has to be a designated area. It's just like that with any type of natural disaster, and this pandemic is considered a natural disaster. So you have to live in a designated area. So as you can see, the designated area so far: Arizona, California, the list goes on and on. Here I am in New Jersey, New York. We are currently under martial law, so we fall under the Economic Injury Disaster Loan Program. And they also have a whole bunch of other links that will assist you as well. As you can see, information goes down, 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 down. And so there you have it. Many of you all asked, how do you get started with the funding? So, I mean, basically, find a place um, where you can just, in your home, since, at this point, if you live in New York and New Jersey, they have us quarantined, where you can pretty much go through this information and get started with getting access to this loan program. So once again, this is Lorelia. Hope you found value with this, and if you need this funding, I mean, there it is. Go and get access to it. I'm just scrolling through the page for you to see. Also, just want to let you know, if you are somebody who's looking for help with business credit or business funding outside of the SBA information that I share with you, feel free to see my free 45-minute Access to Capital, a funding plan for 2020 webinar. It's a free webinar. Go to bizcredit.yourmoneymentor.com. Okay, I'll talk to you in the next video.